Damn. Big gash in the side of my thumb. Look, I can play Pac-Man with it. Waka 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 waka. Ow, that fucking hurt. Why'd you put a big gash in your thumb? I didn't mean to. Why didn't you just climb the tree you climbed last time? Waka 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 waka. Huh? I don't know. Try and climb the tree you climbed last time. That one over there. That one. It was one of those. One of those back there. And I failed. Like, oh yeah, that's right. Oh, yeah, we should have caught that on camera. Hey, Will. Yes. There's a ball. What? Ball. It's probably the people that walked out over there. Yeah. Oh no, they're over there now. Yeah. Look at the school bus. Look at the school bus. You want to see something funny as hell? Sure. I'm gonna chase the school bus and start screaming. No, you're not. He's gonna get in so much trouble. Probably can't hear him, but he's screaming. There goes the short bus. Oh man, my neck. Cool. Hey Will, you know what you should do? It'll be like one of those celebrity things. Turn the fucking camera off! No, what you should do is you should run over there, try and grab that swing right there. Look, it's like bleeding a lot. Woo! Pac-Man's getting a little excited. My fellow viewers, you probably have noticed that most of my videos are only a few minutes long, like 1 or 2. This one will probably be like 3 or 4. Why do I make my videos so short? Obvious, because I'm using the Flip Video HD. And why exactly does it take so long? Well, so little time that I put on there? Because you touch yourself at night. That's somewhat part of it, but the other part is the fact that when I try and upload it, it takes about 2 to 3 hours to upload a video that is about 5 minutes long. So it takes about 30 minutes for a 1-minute video to be uploaded. Then it takes only a few seconds for some odd reason for anything under 60 minutes. 60 seconds, you mean? Yeah, seconds. God damn it. Well, yeah, 60 seconds. And, this video will probably be 6 minutes long, so, yeah, it'll probably take about an hour to upload it. So you better appreciate this, you sons of bitches. Yeah. It may not be much of a video, but it's showing you the desert wasteland Phoenix, Arizona is. Seriously, dude, this place fucking sucks. You know what we do for fun? We fucking play with sticks. You know how often we find a fucking tree here in the middle of the desert? You fucking lucky bastards. Well, there's trees all over here because it's in the city, but if you actually go out into the desert, all you find are bushes. Yeah, bush. Yeah. Oh, well, there goes that duck again. Oh, there's another one. What? Oh, crap. My neck, man. Sucks. Hey, Will, you should so run into that pole right there. Alright.
I'm Will Austin, and this is the Pole Run.
Okay, that was too fake.
Alright, yeah, I know that looked like shit.
First things first, what you gotta do is you run full force towards it, and then you just, fuck, oh, ow, actually freaking hurt.
I love that pole. I'll never see that bitch again.
Just randomly videotape you sucking your finger.
Yes, my fucking thumb hurts.
Yeah, well, my neck hurts.
And I don't want to waste blood, so...
You don't want to waste blood. Fuck. Hey, looky over there, looky over there. Wow. Okay, anyways. So.
Damn it, I got fucking splinters, too.
We'll pull the splinters out.